So cute to see them nurse. Henley's up to 4 little babies. You're getting close to having another one, aren't you? You're such a mess, huh? I know. He's a good girl, Mama. I think she's gonna have one right now. We can make a video. I haven't done that yet. Tangled. So 2 boys and 2 girls so far. Look at that cutie. She's a little busybody already. She has some cool white little marks on her back. And the blue Merle's the other girl, so the other 2 are boys. Hopefully she delivers here in a second and we can catch it. She's doing such a good job. Henley's a first time mama, but she already has it down. They raise the girls right to make sure that they're good moms. Sometimes it can be not so great depending on how they're raised, so it's always a little nerve-wracking until they have their first litter and you kind of see how they do. I have never had a girl that didn't do good, but I'm not cocky and it can always go wrong and I always get nervous. Henley's first puppy in this litter is the boy, and one of the boys, and he's pretty big compared to the other 3. It was kind of worrisome for a little while because he was so big to get out of the birth canal. So had me nervous. Yeah, you want to say hi with your bloody face? Yeah. Hi. Hi. It's a good mama. You're such a good girl. Yes. These good babies. They're good babies. I knew Henley would be a good mom, but like I said, you never get too cocky. Just love them good and raise them right, and usually they love their babies just as much. I don't think she's gonna have another one right now. We'll have to try to get a video. Oh, she's pushing again. So hold on a second. Let's see if it happens. Got cute babies. We're doing a good job. So when they push like that in between delivering, they're just moving down the birth canal, getting ready to be born. The next one in line. And then when she has really deep pushes, so like you can see they're kind of short little pushes. When she has really deep ones, then they're at the door, ready to come out. Look at that. Oh, they're so cute. They're not even noisy, little buggers. Well, I guess we'll speak up now. Hey, you can see right in there. So when she starts giving birth, she gets in the same position like she's pushing right now. And then when puppy comes out, she's cleaning puppy at the same time. We're so close. I don't want to make a really long video. Not that anybody minds seeing it. Welcome into the world of having puppies. It's exciting for me. That's not for everyone. It's a little Merle girl. These guys are just minutes old. Born today on, well, February 28th. Tomorrow's the 1st. Are they? No, they're not born on leap year. Okay. It's a short month. That'd be funny. It had been longer. They were due tomorrow, so if it had gone to the 29th, could have happened. Mama. Whoa! Gotta go now. I can continue. I just figured that out. So here's the baby. Little red and white party that you just saw get born. Always clear their nose constantly. Make sure they don't aspirate any of the fluid back in. It's a very big problem if they do, so I am super cautious. And we have another little girl. Yay! Now we got 5 babies. I need to see if there's any more in there. You can hear the gurgling a little bit. That's what you want to make sure it gets out. Alright. Well, I'm going to go get her cleaned up real good, so. We saw birth! Finally! MileHighBordoodles.com. MileHighBordoodles.com.